And they're both off!
I think 10 out of 10 for the pirouette.
Oh, he hits him!
I think he wanted to go to the King's Road. I think he's got too much toe in. If I was him, I'd go and have a word with Robin afterwards.
Don't do. Who went on the inside, you or him?
It was you, no? It was you.
I think it was you.
I'm sure it's him. When?
I'd tell you what, if I was him, I'd have a word with Daniel Abt afterwards.
Oh, goodness me.
It was you? Was you? Was you or was you? No, it was you. I'm sure it was you. You hit me.
It's either him or you. I'm sure it's you. You hit me with the bat.
You hit me.
Wow. I tell you what, if I was him,
Thoughts on that?
I'd have a word with him.
Because you did it on purpose to wait.
No, I did nothing.
I don't like it on the rear so much.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, I have a problem with temperature as well. It's freezing cold in the commentary box.
What commentary box is he in? It's baking in here.
You know, just hearing your beautiful voice pronounce that, I'm struggling for questions all of a sudden.
Coulthard's just embarrassing though, isn't he?
I thought we were going to have to hose him down there for a second.
Well, he told me he's getting married to a lady that, in his words, he's punching well above his weight. So I think he's got his own
massively above his weight.
personal world championship then.
You know, I feel actually really comfortable standing beside these gentlemen because you're men of normal height. I've just interviewed Sam Bird.
I don't know what life looks like from down there.
When people ask me, so what's the difference between Formula 1 and Formula E? Ooh.
Needs a bit of work, doesn't it? The hair,
I was uncomfortable with the kiss, but...
Well, that's the first time you've ever said that in your life?
Yeah.
So
The party started. Don't worry, Alan didn't pay for those.
Well, I'm just pondering all of the bad puns you might see in headlines tomorrow. Apt, absolutely fantastic, or how apt, it's apt. Absolute domination.
Any more? Or you...
No, I could go on and on, but carry on.
Okay, so the podium celebrations continuing then.
Yeah, what is this? Ah, I told you it was a snake. I don't like snakes. Got a clown as a new teammate.
You just have to remember to push on the inlet, and I have to remember to remind you to push on the inlet.
Typical engineer, typical engineer.
Have you ever had a typical engineer punch you in the face?
Do an impression of me.
C'est un scandale. Scandale.
C'est un scandale, scandale, scandale.
C'est un scandale. I don't like this.
Alright guys, so we do the interview or what? Well, I'm sorry you get disqualified for the fight yesterday.
What?
Unsafe move.
Yeah, I kicked his ball.
Ah! Why? Kill my balls.
Don't hold it like this.
If it's your biceps cover all the image.
We were supposed to do something funny, which is difficult, so we will just say
Quite boring.
hi, turn the camera, and I'll show you the guy who asked us to do this kind of stuff. Maybe he can be funny.
Guilty.
See, that's how funny goes.
Obrigado. We are ready for the weekend. I hope you support us.
Hey Edo, yeah, fortunately can't be with us today. Hope you feel better soon, recovering from your cold. Don't worry mate, you're not missing anything.
So how old are you?
Very old.
Very old. So am I catching you?
35.
35?
I think you're not gonna. I mean, you can
Wow.
try.
Yeah, I'm still a baby.
Still looking good. I'm looking better than you are.
Man, don't worry, you always look good.
Alex.
Whoa, easy.
Alright. Got a short man, but very, very quick.
Hang on, look who's earning the cash in this championship. Look down here.
Hey,
Look.
hey, Antonio.
Nice
Antonio.
shoes.
Will you allow me to qualify this time?
Lopez saying use your eyes. Da Costa saying I'm sorry. And Lopez is absolutely furious.
You can qualify this time. Thank you very much. It is no problem. You are allowed. Remember, we're coming from the other side. You have green flag to qualify this time.
Da Costa has had one Super Pole appearance this season so far, which was in Mexico City, where I think he qualified second, but was underweight, wasn't he?
Yes.
He went to the bathroom in between qualifying and Super Pole, and he was fine in the weight for qualifying, but in Super Pole he was underweight, so I don't know what he did in there.
And again, Felix has gone for that untraditional setup on his car.
Yes.
And it's not paying off.
Outside, round the outside, like Eminem told us. Oh, Prost goes for it, he hits him!
He hits him!
He's got that toe in now, not toe out.
Oh mate, it's aero.
Not toe out. Oh no, it's adjustable toe.
No mate, it's and
it's adjustable setup.
Movable, flexible front wing, movable aerodynamic devices.
Is this a Frank Williams car?
No lunch, no breakfast, no radio.
Crazy.
Frustrating, probably. Yeah.
Frustration.
Frustrating.
Frustrating.
Worst race is probably Highfield. I mean, the genes, he's still living in the 90s.
So we will have a new pole sitter in ABB Formula E. It'll be Andre Lotterer or it'll be Mitch Evans.
There's a pole sitter.
Hey, very good.
Good job, Bob.
There we go. Because Lucas Di Grassi got a fine in after the race in Punta del Este for wearing the wrong underwear.
That's right.
He was wearing
Non-homologated underwear.
Non-homologated underwear. Mm-hmm. Is your underwear homologated?
You know, I was going to
Unofficially?
say that incident spawned 1,000 jokes.
And I didn't say any of them. So, until now. But Di Grassi was, instead of wearing a long, sort of long johns kind of thing, he was wearing these nice little Hugo Boss. I don't know, I've never seen them, but obviously, but let's not get bogged down in that. And now everyone's just getting undressed.
Are they going to wrestle or something?
Who's your money on if they did wrestle?
Good question.
Sarazan.
Yeah, I'll go with
guile,
Sarazan.
isn't he?
Yeah.
Tough. He's a tough old boy.
He'd bite.
So there's a squirrel. Just missed it.
Good spot. Must be nuts.
This guy's got a death wish. He's out there cruising, isn't he?
Yeah. He's still going quicker than Sakon Yamamoto. Scott Elkin's not here. He's in America, Bob.
Yes, he is, expecting the birth of a young son. Well, I guess you can't give birth to an old son, but good luck to Scott and his wife as they welcome a new member of the family.
Follow us on all of our social channels. We'd really appreciate it.
Sandbird Racing.
And at Alex Lim Racing.
But mainly Sandbird Racing.
Maybe not.
For weekly Formula E videos, click subscribe on the left-hand side. To watch the next one, click the icon in the centre, and remember to hit the like button and leave your comments down below.